Everyone wants to cook more and everyone wants to be healthier, but nobody have a time. Today we're gonna solve those problems.
Alright, so today we are making an easy one-pot dinner that will not take you longer than 30 minutes. It is delicious and full of nutrients that your body needs. And with all that being said, let's make it, shall we? Because we have only 30 minutes to prepare this, we have to multitask to be super efficient. So first we will start with cleaning the chicken thighs. Save all the parts we cut off in plastic bag for the next time when you want to make yourself a chicken stock. Season the chicken from both sides with salt and pepper and lightly drizzle with olive oil. Give it a good massage so the seasoning will spread evenly. Now heat up a large pan until the water you drop will create a Leidenfrost effect. That means the water will not evaporate immediately, but it will start to levitate on the surface. That's how you know your pan is really hot. Add avocado oil or any oil with a higher smoking point. And start adding chickens one by one. While chicken is getting nice and golden, we will prepare the vegetable for the sauce. Start with slicing 5 cloves of garlic. Chop roughly 1 medium-sized onion. Slice 5 pieces of brown butter mushroom. Dice 1 stonk of celery and 1 small carrot. Dice 1 large potato in a big cubes. And slice approximately 25 cherry tomatoes by half. Now with all that prep you make, let's finish the cooking. Once the chicken is nicely golden brown like this, it is time to flip it and do the same thing on the other side. When the chicken is seared from the both sides, just simply transfer it to the tray or bowl. And don't you dare wash this. This will help you to get that great taste you are looking for. Add sliced garlic and about 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix it up. Add the onion. That will help you to deglaze all the good flavors from the pan. Saute the onion until nice and golden brown like this. Now you can add a little bit of dried chili and 1 bay leaf. Adding bay leaf now and roast it for a while will help to release all the essential oils from it that will give this sauce even better taste. Now let's add diced celery and carrot and add 1 big tablespoon of tomato paste that you have to roast heavily so it will give your dish a rich color and taste. Deglaze it once more with a little bit of chicken stock or water. Now you can add the sliced mushroom and cherry tomatoes. And finish it with 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika for that extra smoky flavor. Add the rest of the chicken stock or water, enough to cover the sweet potato you're about to put in. Now it's time to put the chicken back to the pan. And let it simmer for about 10 minutes until the sweet potato is soft like this. Add a little bit of salt and add a heavy cream to give it a nice creamy texture. Stir it up and now let's add the spinach and some herbs for extra flavor. Simply just roughly chop parsley and coriander and add it to the sauce. It is always better to put the herbs before the end of the cooking so you will maximize the flavors of it. Mix it once more and basically you are done. You can serve it with some rice if you want, but for the time efficiency I choose to put the sweet potato already in the sauce so you don't need another side dish. And there you have it, delicious and easy one-pot dinner or lunch that is done in less than 30 minutes, full of flavors and nutrients. And the taste will just make you dance.
That's it guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, it will really mean a lot to me. For more recipes, check out my Instagram page and YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or ideas what I can improve in the future, let me know down in the comment section. Thank you so much and see you next time.